Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. This is Invest in Yourself. My name is Cameron. Today I'm releasing a quick video before I go to work because I love y'all and I appreciate y'all so much, and I know how much y'all like the Very Good Food Company. They released their results for the Q3 fiscal 2020. This is their early release. I think their earnings call is on the 30th of November, but I want to kind of give you a brief synopsis of the Q3 earnings and let me know what you thinking down in the comments. Pop a like, subscribe for the video, and we'll kind of cover over like a brief little excerpt here on their earnings. So revenue, again, they're still at a loss, but there's big improvement overall for the company. And as you see, 1.4 million were the revenue growth, 26% over the prior quarter and 322% year over year. This company is growing massive. YouTube, look at the gross margins, close to 40% in the 9-month period, an improvement of almost 30% as of 2019. Look at the production volume of 126,000 pounds in the 3-month period, an increase of 37%. And the biggest thing I like is looking at their total assets, and you can see how much of their debt, they're down to only remaining balance of $40,000 in debt, and they have actually included their cash balance of $8 million compared to $400,000 from last year. That is crazy. And looking at adjusted EBITDA with a little over $3 million in a quarter with 4 cents per common share. And their net loss, again, this company's still losing money, but it's a growing company. It's a growth company. They're going to be innovative, and and they're going to be constantly disruptive, kind of like Beyond Meat. And it's going to take some while, but again, they're putting money into the company, and I expect to see this for a while. This is going to end up being, net negative for a while, but that's expected with growth companies, especially a smaller cap company like this. But the positive is we're seeing, exponentially growth, especially 20% in a quarter and 322% over the year. And I know they didn't give, obviously they still have another quarter left to go for their earnings, and they'll give annual guidance, and they didn't give really no guidance for the next quarter. So looking at some at their highlights, key corporate highlights, like we've already seen the local production facility of August 31st of the Patterson facility is strategically located in property, and basically they're going to open that up in California, and it opens up the market, especially in the U.S. And like I've already said, previous video with the Patterson facility is going to capable of producing close to like 100 million pounds of annualized product. Previously disclosed, they were only saying 28,000, so that's almost 3.5 times fold what they previously said, but that's unbelievable. Close to 100 million pounds of product that'll come from just that Patterson facility. There's various initiatives underway, including open up the Victoria facility, and they're going to end up expanding that. And significant boost in weekly products, especially going into the holiday season, going plus of 1,000 pounds per week. And their company's near-term goal is to get to 19,000 pounds per week in the near term. Again, the Mount Pleasant facility has been finalized, and this is another facility that's going to be on, I believe, the east coast of Canada. It's going to be a brand new, I think their R&D facility, and along with their corporate offices, is going to be based out of Mount Pleasant. And again, the company announced new distribution agreements with Nestor's Park Market, Buy and Low Foods, Sobeys Inc., and Sustainable Online Retailer Canadian Distributors, Spud CA. And so, as we can see, there's a lot of things going on. I got this through my email, YouTube, and there's a lot more things covered that we covered in the past in my previous videos about the Very Good Food Company, but I won't go over it. I just wanted to kind of cover some of the earnings. Q3 earnings was unreal, and obviously I think this was expected overall. We're seeing a 26% growth just in the quarter and 322% overall, but I love the gross margins over just a 9-month period of close to 40%. And, like me and like a lot of financially stable YouTubers that do channels on YouTube, they love great balance sheets, and they're paying off some of their short-term and long-term debt, and they're increasing their cash balance upward of $8 million, and that increase from last year almost, that's 8 times plus. No, it's like almost 9 times they increased their cash balance overall. So it's crazy. This is a great Q3 preliminary results. I can't wait to hear their earnings call. I believe it's going to be on November 30th. I'll check in and I'll let you know down in the comments. If I'm wrong, tell me down in the comments, but I think I did some research a couple days ago and tell a couple of the viewers down in the comments some of my previous videos of their earnings call, but I knew they would probably give release early on Q3 numbers, but I just didn't know the exact date. But I wanted to push it out to you. And when you get a chance, go ahead, go to their website, their investor website, and you go down all the way to the bottom, and you can click on investors, and you can subscribe to their emails to get up-to-date information, and you can get this information as well, so you can kind of follow along and read more if you want to read in some of the key corporate highlights and some of the key sequential, the events that are already happened, and kind of give you up-to-date stuff when it comes to the Very Good Food Company. So I hope you liked this video. It's short, to the point, but I wanted to give you this information about the Very Good Food Company and the great Q3 fiscal 2020 results. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Again, I'm not supported by this company. I'm bullish about it, especially as Beyond Meat and into the plant-based meat products across the board. I think it's the future. I believe we start worrying about our environment and overall eating healthier when it comes to eating plant-based food. So again, thank you so much for coming to the channel. Again, please like, please subscribe, pop a comment down below, let me know what you think. And again, thank you so much, and always remember to invest in yourself. Bye-bye.